Welcome back to Daytime Live and happy Friday, Daytime Live crew. Now, here's the thing. The Star newspaper recently flipped the script as they imagined a Jamaica in which entertainers ruled the country. Now, we are going to take a little look at what they said and we're going to add our own. So, this is what the Star said. The Star says for Prime Minister, they want Bounty Killer, the original poor people government.
Me have no problem with that.
See, okay, I think...
Me have no problem Rodney Price.
Right there, sir. He's in agreement.
Killer. When people go 5-star general, him go 5-star general. How what do you nation?
I like that. I like that. I was thinking more like a protege or a chronics, or you know, like a chronics.
A rampage bounty killer. Me no play. We are talking about protege.
You should say that.
Have fun and tricks, more chronics. Rodney Price. Only Price, don't pay it. We don't play it.
And I feel that's how he would run too. That's what he would say. That's what he would say.
Okay, so Minister Rodney, pick up yourself, Rodney.
That was really good. I think you should put that in a thing, in a little thing.
Yeah, Minister of Health and Wellness. My vote is Cape Town.
Okay, so they put Maca Diamond because Maca moves is what they're going for.
Maca moves?
Maca moves. That's what this is.
Listen, Maca has been around for a minute.
She's been moving for a while.
She's been around. That she went through 3 name changes.
Right.
Because she was, first she was, oh God. She was Lady Mackerel first.
Lady Mackerel, yes.
She was Lady Mackerel.
I liked her.
And then she got Maca Diamond.
Right.
And now she's Macadocious.
Macadocious. I like it too. You know, a lady's allowed to evolve. I respect it. I feel though that for health, Minister of Health and Wellness, I am nominating Beanie Man. Because I feel that Beanie Man's belly united on the Versus.
No.
Everybody globally were talking about the movement, and when he was there with the leg, I feel like for Minister of Wealth, Health and Wealth.
I just said that, you know. You must be mad. Speak of the House. The Star has footer hype. I know who me that, you know, won't say footer, you know.
Who you say?
But I hear Ramesh.
Why?
Yeah, man, Ramesh attack hard way. When Ramesh them video, me always attack in that video. It's always attack.
Right.
It's always attack.
I don't have a option for that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's pretty good. So we have here Minister of Entertainment and Culture, and obviously, popcorn.
No, my vote is the Angel.
Why?
She's entertaining.
But she's
entertaining.
And the culture? What about the culture part?
She's culturally entertaining.
Okay, so I feel for that post we need to have Etana.
All of them can work together.
Etana.
Is that work together?
Girl power thing?
Yes. The
One bring the enter, one bring the entertainment.
And entertainment and
one bring the culture. So split it, the portfolio. Split portfolio. I think we're on it. I think we're doing better than, you know. Okay, so for Minister of Education, we have Agent Sasko, because he's winning right now, yeah. Winning right now. No? Tifa? Why?
Yeah, the B-A-D-D-E-S-T. At least to go spell.
Because he can spell? Okay, I'll take it.
If there's an American artist that is fabulous because he was F-A-B-O-N-O in every song.
I get it. Okay,
pronounce
that works.
Your name, boy.
That's work. Okay, so Minister of Foreign Affairs. They have Sean Paul. Being an affluent traveler, Sean Paul is best suited to maintain foreign trade and relations. Was that good? Yeah, right? That's a start. No? Who do you have?
But I go like Egyptian.
Nah.
Egyptian or they're Jamaica?
Fail.
Egyptian or they're Jamaica?
Fail. Let me just block him out.
Block him.
Negative.
Minister of Transport.
I think Sean is good. Minister of Transport. Ooh, okay. They have Elephant Man having an enviable collection of vehicles Elephant Man is best suited to deal with the rigors of this particular portfolio.
No, I saw for Paul, but I got to say for transport, that's so. We talk about
you know who
vehicles.
for their transport? No, you have to put, you're saying there. He's the fastest and get everywhere the quickest. Fast.
No, Honda.
Transport.
No, but sometimes him not reach there, sometimes reach off road. My ribs, chill, man.
Okay, I like that one. That was better than mine. So for Minister of Justice, they have spies, but I feel like Shensia came through with the equal rights and justice.
Oh, whoa, I know Shensia about equal rights.
Who was it? Who did that? Aishana. Yeah.
But I got Iwin.
Iwin, why?
Yeah, the man there, fire.
Fire.
Life.
Life.
Life seeds I sow.
Okay.
Oh, that is
Okay. Okay, so the
the
Star feels that D'Angel, your girl, is better suited as a Minister of Technology. They say that D'Angel certainly knows how to embrace technology. Just take a look at her recently launched OnlyFans account. Do you guys know what the OnlyFans account is? Don't. What do you think?
I'm not interested.
And on that note,
I'm not interested.
Minister of Finance. Who you think?
True.
Because they said skilly ben, brick, bomb, brick.
Oh,
Brick, bomb, brick, bomb, brick.
But
Brick, bomb, brick. I don't get that though.
Marlon Samuels.
Why?
That's your money.
I hear where you go.
No, Minister of Finance can give me that.
Okay, why Justin
Good
Shepherd?
for that.
Why?
I'm a joke thing
Why?
when I deal with
Because
the
you're
money.
slightly unhinged?
When me I deal with the money, I different something.
You get it slightly unhinged? No?
A
Okay.
different something.
So what are you going to do differently?
I take care of my friend and family first.
Sounds like we
I can
are
imagine, as I tell
family.
Minister of Finance, everybody who, what go on? What you say you need? 100 million for borrow? You're good.
You know what? That's a negative.
So you wouldn't call me?
I would not call you.
For nothing at all?
No.
Suppose you have a marketing company.
Uh-huh.
Daytime Live will be right back. And we'll be talking to Vashon Brown of